Hey guys, still at HQC 2022. All the new Toyota and Lexus products for the next year are here available for me to show you guys. And I want to show you this LC500. No matter what LC500 it is, it's going to get your attention. But this one has stood out to me, not because it's a hybrid, and that's not the way I would be going because the V8 is a work of perfection. But what's special about this is for the 2022 model year, they're allowing you guys to build custom LC500s from the factory, and these are called Bespoke Editions. So there's some things on this vehicle that are actually you could get from previous special editions, like these split 5-spoke wheels that were on last year's special edition. Also this carbon fiber wing that was on last year's special edition. And we have blacked out rear taillights, which was on a previous special edition. So it just looks way better. And that was one of the things I don't like, the super bright chrome reflective piece on the standard LC, but it looks perfect here now that they've darkened it out. So this vehicle just looks really, really good. The only thing about the LC500, besides the reflective piece that typically I don't like, is we do have quad tip exhaust, but they're hidden behind those overstyled bottom portion. But anyways, the LC is still a stunning car through and through. Now 500H here, this is very rare to see an LC 500H. They hardly make any and sell them here. We also have the blue Lexus badge, which, as I just showed you guys, if you missed my video on the UX refresh for 2023, they're all hybrids. They no longer have the blue badge. The LC still does. But the striking thing is, this paint color is cadmium orange. We also have an orange interior. It's called Manhattan Hinge. It's styled after the sunset or sun rising, one of the two on the New York Manhattan landscape, and this thing is just a little bit like Halloween. We got the orange and black contrast here, black super suede here, ultra suede, could be Alcantara. I always get confused depending on which brand it is. Of course the material qualities are top notch, as they always are in the Lexus LC. Orange steering wheel. I'm not going to sit in here, but orange stitching on the seats, like it is a orange headliner. Like this thing is pretty crazy. Now, I really like this interior. I think it's unique and it's kind of crazy like the LC is. And you also have that Bespoke Build badge right there behind the orange leather shifter. And the reason why they did orange on orange, because yes, it's ugly and very few people are doing it, but why are they doing this? Just to say, hey, you can custom order your LC any way you want. If you want something super tacky and crazy like orange on orange, you can get it. But man, that orange is cool. I didn't know about it in pictures, but it looks great. Wouldn't get it with this cadmium orange. I'd definitely get it with black or something that somewhat complements that orange and black interior. But the LC500, just a complete beauty on wheels. Get the V8 if you can. The hybrid doesn't give you that great of fuel economy or performance or the sound from thunderous clouds of Mount Fuji like you get in the V8. But signing out, just want to give you a quick update on the Bespoke Edition of the LC500. Catch you in the next one.